Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. This one's a little different. This is a quiz to help you with the adjectives ending in ed and ing that we learned in the previous video. So what I'm going to do, I'll just show each screen. I won't speak, and you can write down your answers. And then when you get to the end of the video, you can check back and we'll go over the answers. All right? So I'll leave each slide up for a few seconds, but if you need more time, just pause the video, write down your answers, and then we'll total up your score. All right, so let's go back and we'll add up the score. So it was such an exciting moment. He was so happy. So give yourself 10 points if you got that one correct. He didn't expect that. It was surprising to him. Wow, that might have been the most depressing film ever. We were all totally confused about the result. It was the most puzzling problem he had ever seen. It was a very embarrassing situation for him. Everyone was laughing. Ugh, I feel nothing but disgust towards that man. I can't move. I am in a state of B, total exhaustion. Leeks, I don't like the flavor. They C, taste disgusting. Tripe, no way. What a stench. It A, smells disgusting. The new movie, sure. It C, sounds exciting. I'd like to read that book. A, it seems interesting. Why can't you be quiet? You are so B, tiring. She was a huge D, disappointment to him. I'm just not C, satisfied with the service in this restaurant. I'm D, bored. Can we play a different game? The movie was A, boring. I almost fell asleep. He was not C, amused with the joke. The movie was B, amusing. I laughed the whole time. And what a D, shocking ending. I didn't think it would happen. All right, give yourself 10 points for each correct answer. Like, subscribe, share. List your score in the comments if you would like, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.